Mary. Hi.
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 Mary. Hi.
Hi.
What up, girl? Oh, that's too complicated. Mary. Hi.
Hi.
Mary. How about, what else can you say? Mary's 11 months saying, hi. That's really her first word. Hi. Dada. She does say dada. Da.
Dada.
How about ma?
Dada.
Oh, ma.
Da.
Na. Na.
Boy.
How about Super Gramps? Nope. Sorry, Super Gramps. She can't say that one yet. Super Gramps. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, she's waving.